The whole world is trying to reach one place, the moon. One after another, countries like the USA, Russia, China, and now India are all aiming to explore the moon. But have you ever wondered what the moon's surface is like? Is there soil or just rocks? Are there oceans or rivers? Are there mountains or vast sandy plains? Is there water or ice? So, let's take you on a journey to the moon in the next 8 minutes. Journey to the moon. The distance between Earth and the moon is 384,000 kilometers. The shortest time taken to reach the moon was 4 days, achieved by the USA. If we assume that we are traveling in an American spacecraft, it will take us 4 days to reach the moon. After 4 days, we will land on the moon's surface. The first thing we will notice is the rugged, uneven terrain. The entire surface is covered with large craters. If you look up while standing on the moon, you will see our beautiful planet, Earth, spinning on its axis. However, Earth's position in the sky will remain fixed. Since the moon's gravity is 6 times weaker than Earth's, your weight will be 6 times less. If you weigh 60 kilos on Earth, you will weigh just 10 kilos on the moon. This low gravity makes walking difficult, which is why Neil Armstrong and his fellow astronauts moved by hopping instead of walking. Their footprints are still intact on the moon because there is no air or wind to erase them. As you move around, you will notice a lot of junk left behind by humans. Bags, papers, broken satellites, and even astronauts' waste like urine and vomit bags. The amount of waste on the moon is so much that it could fill 5 trucks. Dangers on the moon. The biggest danger on the moon is death from the sky. Because of the moon's weak gravity, it has no atmosphere. This means it cannot stop meteorites from crashing into its surface. A space rock could suddenly strike, causing instant destruction. The dark patches visible from Earth are not shadows, but actually craters formed by meteor impacts. From Earth, the brightest object after the sun is the moon. When we look at the sky from Earth, it appears blue due to our atmosphere, but on the moon, the sky looks completely black. This is because there is no atmosphere to scatter light. If you were to stay on the moon, you might get bored very quickly. But here's an interesting fact. NASA has set up Wi-Fi on the moon with speeds of up to 19 Mbps. So, you can browse the internet even while standing on the moon. However, if you try to call someone from the moon, there will be a problem. Even if the call connects, your voice won't come out of your mouth because sound waves need air to travel, and the moon has no air. Astronauts use pressurized spacesuits with built-in communication systems to talk to each other. When talking to Earth, there is a 1.7-second delay due to the signal transmission time. Days, nights, and extreme temperatures. The moon takes 27.3 days to orbit the Earth, and it also takes 27.3 days to complete one rotation on its axis. Because of this, we always see the same side of the moon from Earth. A single day on the moon lasts about 14 Earth days, and the night is equally long. During the day, temperatures rise to 180 degrees, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, while at night, they drop to 153 degrees, 243 degrees Fahrenheit. The south pole of the moon is even colder, making it nearly impossible for humans to survive there. The moon does not have seasons because its tilt is only 1.54 degrees compared to Earth's 23.44 degrees. This means that some parts of the moon never receive sunlight, making them permanently dark and freezing cold. The moon's role in Earth's survival. The moon has no light of its own. It only reflects sunlight. If the sun were to stop shining, the moon would disappear from view. Interestingly, the moon is moving away from Earth by 1.5 centimeters every year. There are at least 135 moons in our solar system, but none of them support life. The moon plays a crucial role in Earth's survival. Billions of years ago, when a planet called Theia crashed into Earth, the impact tilted Earth by 23.5 degrees, creating seasons. If the moon did not exist, Earth would have straightened up again, eliminating seasons. Without seasons, the polar regions would be covered in ice forever, and the equatorial regions would become extremely hot. Conclusion. The moon may seem mysterious and fascinating, but it is also a harsh and lifeless world. What do you think about these amazing and scary facts about the moon? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification. See you soon with more informative videos. Until then, stay happy. Bye-bye.